Welcome to another video with Invest with the Doctor. My name is Dr. Haider. I'm an accident emergency doctor during the day, and during the night I am a trader and an investor. In this video, I'm going to talk about the price of Bitcoin and where it's likely to go this year. Now, I think that it's very possible for the price to reach 140 to 150,000 US dollars by the end of this year. The price, if you've noticed, has gone up by from 109,000 US dollars to nearly 120,000 US dollars currently. In the past 2 to 3 days, it's gone up from $109, maybe a little bit longer, not exactly 3 days, 3 to 4 days. The price has gone up quite a bit. Now, it was hanging around 109, 110, $111, but since it's bounced back, and that low was the low in September. At the moment, I think the price has got strong resistance. So between 120 to 123,000 is going to be quite a bit of resistance, and that's because 123 is the all-time high for Bitcoin itself. Now let's have a look at the chart. This is the daily chart for Bitcoin. Currently, at the time of making this video, you can see the price is 120,749 nearly US dollars. I think the reason I think that is it can quite easily, not easily, but by the end of this year reach 140 and between 140 to 150,000 dollars is a pattern that's developed on the chart itself. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'll try to show it to you. You can see this pattern. So you've got shoulder, head, and another shoulder. This is on the daily chart, and if you take the neckline here and you measure this distance and project it, it comes to around 138,000 US dollars. So if it breaks out of this pattern, it's quite likely that it will ultimately reach this price, 138,000. This is on the daily chart. Now let me show you the same thing on the weekly chart. Again, you can see the same pattern. So you've got the head, you've got the right shoulder, left shoulder, and then you've got the right shoulder. This is the neckline I was talking about. And if you take this area here, this area, and you project it here, it's the price is coming to 138,000. So I mean, at the moment, it's got strong resistance between 120 to 123,000, 123,000. But once it breaks that, then this target comes into play. It can go up a little bit more than this. That's why I feel that 140 to 150,000 is a real possibility by the end of this year, if not sooner. Okay, but it's a real possibility looking at this chart. And also on the weekly chart, if you see here, RSI is also made a double bottom, and this likely means that the price is unlikely to go a lot lower than the current price. So it may hang around this area and then probably go higher is the possibility. And also it's about to make a MACD, positive MACD. It's not done that yet, but these lines are closing on the weekly. Usually when there is a positive MACD, the price normally rises quite a bit whenever there is a MACD crossover and it becomes positive. It hasn't done that yet, but it's about to do it. It's possible. Now, if you are a US citizen, most probably you're going to buy your Bitcoin on Coinbase, as you can see here. There was a time I used to buy from Coinbase, but I think their charges are quite high. That's why if you are in UK, I recommend making an account with Revolut. I'm not in any way affiliated with Revolut, but I'm just telling you that it's a good place to buy Bitcoin cheaply. So if you make a Revolut account, you can get their debit card as well. You can use Revolut X. This is the exchange that I use to buy and store Bitcoin. So it's called Revolut X, and the Revolut X basically it doesn't charge much as compared to Coinbase, which I feel is quite expensive for buying Bitcoin itself. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, I think, especially Bitcoin, I think this is the way to go. Again, I'm not in any way affiliated with Revolut X, but I just think it's a good exchange if you're interested in buying Bitcoin on the cheap. So that's all I had to say for this small video. I hope you found it useful, just to give you an idea of Bitcoin and where it's likely to go by the end of this cycle. Many analysts predict that there's going to be a bear market for Bitcoin next year. I can't say, but that's what most analysts are saying. So again, if you're looking at the price of Bitcoin, you know what to look at and what to aim for. Hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.